Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by raising the car safely and removing the wheel so you can see the problem up close. Once done, deflate the tire completely to avoid pressurized spray and rotate it to locate the puncture. Mark it with chalk. You should also inspect the bead and sidewall for cuts. Patch kits rarely fix sidewall damage. Make sure to have a plug kit and patch kit ready. Gather a rasp, insertion tool, rubber cement, and tire iron so you can proceed without interruption. You want a clean, roughened hole so the plug bonds. Insert the rasp tool and work it until the hole accepts the plug easily. Once the opening is prepared, thread the pre-coated plug into the insertion tool and push it through until about 2/3 remains outside. Pull the tool quickly to seat the plug. Trim the excess plug flush with the tread, and if your kit uses rubber cement, spread it inside and around the plug to ensure a sealed, flexible bond that prevents air leaks. You now inspect the interior of the tire by removing it and looking for embedded objects or splits. An internal patch is applied from inside when the puncture is large or at an angle. Make sure the bead and valve area are intact. Reinstall the wheel and inflate to the manufacturer's pressure using a gauge, then perform a soap bubble test to catch slow leaks. If you see bubbles, deflate and redo the repair. Finally, torque the lug nuts to spec and recheck pressure after a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.